That first $1,000 in your bank account, it's not just money, it's a milestone. And what if I told you that this small stack of cash could change your life if you used it right? Hey, I've been there. Hitting the first 1000 feels amazing, but it can also be overwhelming. Let's break it down, and I'll show you 5 game-changing ways in which you can make this money work for you. First up, let's talk savings. And no, I'm not talking about the boring savings account. I'm talking about the high-yield savings account, or the HYSA. If you leave that $1,000 into your regular checkings account, you'll earn next to nothing. And big banks offer a savings account, but their interest rates are about 0.01% per annum, which means for every $100 invested, you make 1 cent per year, which is really bad. And if you kept your $1,000 in a regular savings or checkings account, at most you would make 10 cents for the whole year. On the contrary, if you kept your $1,000 in a high yield savings account, you'd make at least 4% per annum. That's $40 a year compared to 10 cents a year. It's free money just for being smart about your cash. I personally use SoFi as my high yield savings account because I really find their vaults very convenient. But there are a bunch out there and they're all pretty good, so you can check out what works best for you and go with it. But definitely use a high yield savings account and not your regular account. Now, if you've got credit card debt, let's tackle that. The average interest rate on credit cards is over 20%. It's a trap. There are 2 solid ways to pay off debt. The snowball method, where you first tackle the smallest balance that you have for quick wins, or the avalanche method, where you prioritize the highest interest rate first. Either ways, every dollar you throw at that debt saves you from paying more interest. Paying off debt doesn't just save you money, it gives you a peace of mind as well. Now let's talk about growing your $1,000. Investing might sound scary, but it's simpler than you think. You don't need to be a Wall Street pro to invest in the stock market. Start with something like fractional shares. Platforms like Robinhood and many others out there let you invest as little as $1 in big companies. So there's no excuses to not invest. And what if I told you the best investment is not stocks, bonds, or real estate? It's you. Take that $1,000 and level up your skills. Learn coding, take public speaking courses, or invest in certifications that could boost your career. One of the best and easiest ways to grow your wealth is by growing your income, which comes from upskilling yourself. Last but not the least, start a business. Side hustles have become really easy right now due to leveraging AI and many other online tools which you can get for free. $1,000 can go a very long way to get you started. You could start freelancing, creating digital products, or even starting your own YouTube channel. Here's the thing, even if your side hustle earns only $200 a month, that's $2,400 a year. And it could scale into something much bigger. So what's it gonna be? Save it, invest it, pay off your debt, or start something new? The choice is completely yours. But the first $1,000 gives you an opportunity to take control of your future. Drop a comment below. What's your plan? Let's make 2025 the year where you take control of your finances and make money work for yourself. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such content.